so Georgia's Cottage Food Laws micro restaurant bill. Here's a little bit of update. I'm actually doing a series of videos I had done before on a few other states just recently. You'll see those on my previous uploads. But these videos, I'm going to give you many of these I have not talked about yet because they were either middle to end of last year in 2023. But being that we're only a couple months into 2024, many of these bills, if they got enacted, they're actually going to be starting roughly around the end of last year or right now around the beginning of this year. So Georgia Cottage Food Laws tried to pass. Unfortunately, it got knocked down. It failed. It was not voted into law. I'm actually looking down here really quick at my laptop, getting some information to relate to you guys. So this would have been really cool because this is like the California bill that I just spoke about in my previous video. California's update did enact a micro restaurant. Georgia, unfortunately, would have created a new law called Micro Enterprise Home Kitchens. Now, this would be basically like a miniature restaurant in your home, allowing you to prepare meals now, not just baked goods, not just nuts or dry mixes or things of that sort, candies and chocolates and stuff like that. A full-blown, pretty much mini-size restaurant out of your home. You can sell what's known as ready-made meals, ready-to-eat meals and food. It says that the bill was House Bill 287. It was almost passed, but unfortunately got voted down. So you still do have in Georgia, you will still have cottage food laws that do allow you to do a lot of baked goods and other stuff. So you can't do catering unless you have a separate kitchen. That's a whole nother video. But I get a lot of questions about that on this channel and my other YouTube channels. But yes, unfortunately, the idea of having a little mini restaurant is not going to happen. There is a ton, though, of other items within Georgia's cottage food laws that allow you to make a lot of different snacks, chocolates, dried fruits, and these types of things. Excuse me. So, yeah, unfortunately, Georgia, you will not be having a micro restaurant. Now, a lot of times it takes time for that to come back up to be revoted if they redo the bill, but I don't see that happening anytime soon because many of these bills take a long time to get through the House and get passed. So, if you have any questions about Georgia's cottage food laws, if you've experienced it or if you're actually running a cottage food law from your home, let us know in the comments section. We have a lot of other subscribers here that are probably in the state of Georgia, and they could definitely use some advice. All right, so I'll see you guys on our next video.